Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom step by step. Assignments allow you to distribute work, set due dates, and track student submissions all in one place. So let's get started. First, open Google Classroom in your web browser and select the class where you want to create the assignment. Once you're inside the class, click on the Classwork tab at the top of the page. Next, click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, select Assignment. Now, enter a title for your assignment. You can also add instructions to explain what students need to complete. If needed, attach files, links, Google Docs, Google Slides, or other resources by using the attachment options below the instructions. On the right side, choose which students will receive the assignment. You can also set the number of points, due date, and topic. Once everything is ready, click Assign. Your assignment will now be published and available to students. And that's it. You've successfully created an assignment in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Classroom tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.